Today, we take you into en Spirit with Turkey-side ES1.
Only a few engineers on Earth are authorized to build this extraordinary machine.
Every touch here ensures the ES1 Spirit leaves this factory in flawless, race-ready condition.
The airflow channels are stable, but we still have a hot spot here.
Efficient cooling ensures performance under relentless racing stress.
This protective layer gives the ES1 its jewel-like shine.
These markings signify one of the rarest motorcycles ever built.
Its sensors allow the ES1 to stay stable at unimaginable speeds.
These fairings slice through the air like the wing of a jet fighter.
Every temperature spike must be understood and controlled.
Perfect lubrication ensures perfect performance at extreme speeds.
The ES1 begins with aerospace-grade carbon fiber used in fighter jets.
Every cut affects aerodynamics, so accuracy must be absolute.
This single carbon shell replaces a traditional motorcycle frame entirely.
Extreme heat and pressure transform these fibers into a structure stronger than steel.
Inside this sealed chamber, the ES1's backbone takes shape. This feather-light structure becomes the core of the ES1 Spirit. Each mount must be perfect because this bike tolerates no vibration. If even 1 millimeter is off, the entire shell must be rebuilt.
Titanium keeps the ES1 impossibly strong while staying ultra-light.
Every piece is hand-finished because perfection demands human touch. These components form one of the most advanced motorcycle engines ever built. Every movement here determines how the ES1 will breathe, accelerate, and survive speed.
Before this engine enters the motorcycle, it must prove its power under extreme load.
The first breath of the ES1 engine is a moment of pure engineering truth.
Here, the ES1 reveals its raw power long before touching the motorcycle.
Every temperature spike must be understood and controlled.
Perfect lubrication ensures perfect performance at extreme speeds.
Even the smallest particle tells a story about engine health.
Now prepared, the engine is ready to meet the rest of the superbike.
These mounts connect one of the world's rarest engines to one of the rarest frames. These titanium anchors keep the ES1 stable at unimaginable speeds.
The ES1 suspension is designed to feel like floating at 200 miles per hour.
Every joint is engineered for maximum stability under extreme forces. The ES1 rides on wheels forged for speed, strength, and aerodynamic purity. Balance and precision decide how the ES1 cuts through the wind.
Now the ES1 begins to resemble the masterpiece it will soon become. What started as raw carbon and titanium now moves under its own form.
Here, the ES1 receives the intelligence that controls its power.
The ES1 software is tuned with the precision of a racing prototype.
Its sensors allow the ES1 to stay stable at unimaginable speeds.
These fairings slice through the air like the wing of a jet fighter.
Now the ES1 begins to take on its unmistakable silhouette. This cockpit connects human reflexes to the machine's raw power.
Every twist of the rider's wrist is translated into digital precision.
The ES1's brakes must control power, normally seen only in race machines.
Precision fuel delivery ensures flawless acceleration.
With its systems alive, the ES1 now moves toward its final transformation.
Here, the ES1 receives the flawless finish worthy of its $3.6 million value. Every surface must be prepared with absolute precision.
Primer ensures the final color bonds flawlessly to the carbon shell.
Heat cures the primer, forming a perfect foundation for the final coat.
This finish is designed to highlight the carbon beneath it.
The ES1's lines now come alive under its signature color.
This protective layer gives the ES1 its jewel-like shine.
Now the ES1's true beauty begins to shine.
These markings signify one of the rarest motorcycles ever built. This identity plate verifies authenticity for collectors worldwide.
Now the ES1 is recognized as a certified, legal masterpiece. Every finished surface must meet near-perfect reflection standards.
With its identity sealed, the ES1 now faces its most critical tests.
A machine of this caliber undergoes inspection down to the last millimeter.
Perfect alignment ensures perfect stability at extreme speeds.
High-performance brakes must react instantly, every single time. Every electronic system must communicate with absolute precision.
Now, the ES1's complete powertrain is tested as one.
The ES1 responds to movement faster than a human eye can blink. At full fury, the ES1 Spirit unleashes power unlike anything in the motorcycle world.
The airflow channels are stable, but we still have a hot spot here.
Efficient cooling ensures performance under relentless racing stress. Every bolt, mount, and joint must survive punishing vibration.
Electrical stability is essential for a bike engineered beyond conventional limits.
Every load point is tested to ensure the ES1 remains perfectly balanced at racing intensity.
Smooth power delivery depends on perfect drivetrain geometry.
With mechanical and electronic systems approved, the ES1 is ready for real movement.
Now the ES1 faces the final proving ground, real-world performance.
The ES1 now prepares to prove everything it was engineered for.
This is the first moment the ES1 feels the touch of a human rider.
Inside this chamber, the ES1 unleashes its true voice.
Every fiber of this machine is built for breathtaking acceleration.
The ES1 remains razor stable even at extreme leaning angles.
Precision braking transforms raw speed into absolute control.
Heat tells the truth about performance under pressure.
Here, the ES1 displays the speed few machines on Earth can match.
With rider approval secured, the ES1 is officially track ready. Every touch here ensures the ES1 Spirit leaves this factory in flawless, race-ready condition.
Secured with absolute care, the ES1 Spirit is prepared for its journey across the globe. Only a few machines ever reach this final elite storage zone. Its next road begins far from this factory.
And this is how modern factories produce the $3.6 million Ecosse ES1 Spirit from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.